it really kind of put a magnifying glass on how broken the system is.
For nearly 3 years, our award-winning To Catch a Contractor investigative series has exposed shady businessmen and protected Massachusetts homeowners. But after all our reports, we're asking, does the law need a change to make it easier for you to hold contractors accountable? Tonight, NBC 10 investigator Ryan Kath takes a closer look at why authorities often don't consider it criminal when people lose thousands of dollars on projects gone wrong.
Across Massachusetts, we've seen an endless collage of abandoned holes in the ground, unfinished projects, and expensive homeowner headaches. And during our statewide tour, a theme has emerged.
I went to the police station. They said it was a civil matter.
When it comes to the police, this is usually considered a civil matter.
You are all sick and tired of hearing this is a civil matter.
To people who have lost thousands of dollars in hard-earned savings, this experience can certainly feel like a crime.
I feel like we got robbed.
Essentially, we were realizing that we got hosed.
I got screwed.
Someone has robbed me, and the legal system is not there to protect me.
In Massachusetts, the way the law is written, you have to prove a contractor never intended to finish a project.
There's all these loopholes that they can get around.
A tough legal hurdle once a shovel digs into the ground or a hammer hits a nail, as explained by Plymouth County DA Timothy Cruz.
How do you get into somebody's head? How do you prove that that actually was their intent at the time of receipt of the money? That's a challenge.
A challenge Cruz will be taking on with pool contractor Steve Docchio. After our investigation detailed his path of destruction across the state, a grand jury indicted Docchio with a long list of criminal charges.
This is not catch the contractor, it's catch the dishonest client.
The contractor is currently out on bail and awaiting trial, but at his arraignment last July, he told the judge his case does not belong in criminal court.
These are contractual civil things.
How important is it to make some sort of change?
I think it's a significant need for a change.
We took the issue to NBC 10 legal analyst Michael Coyne.
This is a very widespread problem, and to me, it's a problem that's fixable with a different statute.
What would you change about the current law?
If you have to prove the person's intent to defraud at the time they took the deposit, that is almost a non-starter in all of these cases. So change the statute. Don't make it a question of intent.
Homeowners hope lawmakers on Beacon Hill are listening.
I think some laws need to be changed to protect us.
It's unfortunate that we don't have stronger laws in in Massachusetts that can maybe stop some of this from happening.
Some of our reporting has already prompted results on Beacon Hill, including a proposal that would raise the cap on a state fund that reimburses homeowners if they get ripped off by a registered contractor. We'll take this topic to lawmakers and report back. Ryan Kath, NBC 10 Investigators.